There are several ergonomic keyboards available in the market, and the best one depends on individual preferences and needs. This keyboard features a split design and a curved layout that promotes a more natural hand and wrist position. It also has a cushioned palm rest and a separate number pad. This keyboard has a unique contoured design that separates the keys into two concave key wells, reducing strain and promoting proper typing posture. It also offers programmable keys and customizable layouts. With its split ergonomic design and curved key frame, this keyboard encourages a more relaxed typing position. It includes a palm rest and adjustable feet for personalized comfort. Ergonomic keyboards aim to reduce the strain on your wrists, hands, and fingers. By promoting a more neutral hand position, they can help prevent or alleviate conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome and repetitive strain injuries. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best ergonomic keyboards. So, let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard. The ergonomic split design of this keyboard ensures that your wrists and forearms are positioned naturally and comfortably. With a plush wrist rest, you can place your wrist on the cushioned palm support to relax while typing. Additionally, the keyboard features 4 foldable legs, allowing you to adjust it to your preferred typing angle. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply insert the nano USB receiver into your computer, whether it's a desktop or laptop, and start using the keyboard instantly, without the need for any drivers. The wireless range of the keyboard reaches up to 33 feet or 10 meters, providing you with flexibility in movement. It grants you quick access to commonly used functions such as volume control, playback control, brightness adjustment, and more. Moreover, it includes arrow keys and an ergonomic number pad for added convenience. The keys are designed to be whisper quiet and low profile, delivering a heightened level of comfort to your fingertips. Dedicated Windows hotkeys keep your most used functions and media controls within easy reach. The keyboard's construction incorporates scissors kick technology, ensuring durability with a lifespan of over 3 million continuous key presses. Additionally, it features a built-in, high-capacity rechargeable polymer battery that provides up to 6 months of use on a single charge. Here is the item number 4, X9 Performance Ergonomic Keyboard. If you find yourself spending long hours on the computer, you know how challenging it can be. But worry not, because we have a solution for you. The split keyboard, designed with the user in mind, is here to help you conquer your workload while minimizing wrist discomfort. The keyboard features an ergonomic design with an integrated cushion that provides essential support while typing. By ensuring your hand is level with the keys, we enhance both comfort and efficiency. Unlike traditional laptop keyboards that force your hands into awkward positions, the Wave keyboard encourages a natural hand posture, reducing strain and fatigue. With a full-size layout consisting of 110 keys, including 17 shortcuts and a numeric keypad, you'll experience enhanced productivity. Moreover, the wired PC keyboard comes equipped with LED indicators, an adjustable kickstand, and hassle-free plug-and-play functionality. The item number 3, Logitech ERGO K350. Enhance your typing experience with a beautifully designed curved and split keyframe, specially crafted to alleviate muscle strain on your wrists and forearms. The ergonomic sloping keyboard design ensures maximum comfort while reducing the risk of discomfort. A curved wrist rest, complete with a memory foam layer, provides exceptional typing comfort, along with 54% more wrist support compared to keyboards without a palm rest. With this innovative keyboard, you can enjoy a typing experience that involves 25% less wrist bending than standard keyboards. The carefully designed scooped keys perfectly match the natural shape of your fingertips, instilling confidence and allowing for precise and fluid typing. This wireless keyboard prioritizes comfort, accuracy, and fluidity, offering a seamless typing experience. Whether you're seated or standing, the ergonomically designed tilt legs ensure that your wrists maintain a natural typing posture, providing total comfort throughout your work session. These tilt legs offer 3 adjustable angles, 0, -4, and -7 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect position. Furthermore, this wireless ergonomic keyboard is certified by United States Ergonomics, guaranteeing an improved posture and reduced muscle strain. It offers 2 convenient connection options, a USB receiver or Bluetooth connectivity. Additionally, you have the freedom to customize the function keys to suit your needs. The keyboard also features quiet keys, a full-size layout, and a caps lock indicator for added convenience. Experience a typing journey like no other, where comfort, precision, and fluidity merge harmoniously, courtesy of this exceptional wireless ergonomic keyboard. Number 2 in our list, Microsoft 5KV00001. The Sculpt ergonomic keyboard for business boasts a sleek and contemporary design coupled with an incredibly comfortable user experience. With its innovative approach to ergonomics, this keyboard features a split layout that effectively aligns the wrists and forearms in a relaxed and natural position. Additionally, it offers a cushioned palm rest that offers optimal wrist support and encourages a neutral alignment. The domed shape of the keyboard aids in reducing wrist pronation, further enhancing comfort. Furthermore, the inclusion of a separate number pad allows for greater flexibility when setting up your workspace. The keyboard's natural arc key layout is thoughtfully designed to mirror the curved shape of your fingertips, ensuring a seamless typing experience. Ultimately, this keyboard is the perfect companion for maintaining both comfort and productivity throughout the day. The top one in our list, Logitech K350. The Logitech wireless keyboard K350 features a unique wave design and constant curve layout that effortlessly guides your hands into an optimal position, naturally conforming to the shape of your fingers. Additionally, the keyboard offers a cushioned palm rest, ensuring comfortable and proper hand placement while typing. This intuitive design allows you to type with confidence and ease, without requiring you to adapt to a new layout. Moreover, the keyboard is always ready for use, thanks to its extended battery life, fast and reliable wireless connection, and the conveniently small receiver that you can plug in and forget, eliminating any wireless inconveniences you may have experienced in the past. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best ergonomic keyboards amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.